how to get HypeSquad on Discord mobile. So if you want to get HypeSquad on Discord mobile, so what you need to do is first, you could look for an option on your Discord application, but unfortunately, this is not available in the application. So you have to use the browser version. So open up your browser, any browser, whichever is convenient. In my case, I'll just simply go and use it my Chrome browser. So open up your browser and then type in discord.com and log into your Discord. Once you've logged into your Discord account, that's going to take you to the home page. Now, once you've logged into your account, you'll get this kind of interface, right? So you just need simply go with your chats, and once you're on your chats, go and select the person's profile. You'll get this kind of interface. Now you just need simply go with the gear-shaped icon, or you can just simply go and select the server, any server that you're comfortable with. And once you're on your server, you need to click on the server name and then go with the server settings option. As you go to the settings page, this is how the interface will look. Now you need to click on the gear icon, and then you will find an option of HypeSquad. Once you find, you need to click on the HypeSquad option. You need to go ahead and make sure to locate it, and that's how you'll be able to get HypeSquad on your Discord account or your mobile. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.